Hello and welcome to the No Cost Income Stream. In this video, I want to introduce you to the entire No Cost Income Stream course so you can understand what you're going to learn as you go through this course. For starters, the No Cost Income Stream is an online business model that requires absolutely no cash upfront to make money on the internet. It's proven business models that you can follow. You can build these up and scale them up with paid solutions, which is what we highly recommend after you go through this training and after you choose a business model or maybe a couple of these business models, implement them for yourself, understand the concepts, start to generate revenue, and then we encourage you to scale that up into paid solutions, which really give you that more permanent and stable business. But the purpose of this course is to really get you going on the internet so you can see that it's possible to make money with just a little bit of time and effort, and you don't need to have a pile of cash or any cash for that matter to really kickstart your online business. There are going to be 5 systems that you can follow in this main no cost income stream course. We're going to be talking about no cost product launch, no cost freelancing, no cost video marketing, no cost list building, and no cost affiliate marketing. So here's just a quick overview and rundown of each of the business models that we will be covering. Model number one is the no cost product launch. This is where you can learn how to launch your own digital information product. Information products are a great way to get started on the internet because it helps you build up a following, helps you build up a reputation, and the profit margins can't be beat. You're also going to learn every step of the process from the niche selection to the product creation aspect. And the purpose of me showing you all these in an introduction video is so you don't have to go through each video and decide which model you want to start with. Hopefully in this introduction you can kind of choose which business model will be best for you. You're going to learn also in the no cost product launch how to recruit affiliates and the basics of proper sales copy. Every method covered is a free way to launch your own product. You're also going to learn how to use a free autoresponder to generate buyer leads for yourself. These buyer leads can be highly valuable so you can promote other related products and offers to them for a great commission. And so you're going to learn how to get buyer leads, how to get your own product, all of this without having to invest a single penny into your marketing. You're also going to learn how to scale this up with paid solutions at the end because again, ultimately once you've made some money, it's time to invest a very small amount of that into, paid hosting and things that will help you get a more sustainable business so you can sustain that success for the long term. Model number two is going to be all about no cost freelancing. You're going to learn how to run a successful freelancing business, learn the different services that you can offer people. Keep in mind that many people do freelancing full time, 100% full time. They just do services for other people. So, this is a great opportunity to really get going into the realm of freelancing. And actually, the beauty of this is you really don't need to spend anything after this to really scale this method up. It's actually well laid out so that you can follow it. And again, you could be generating a full time income using these methods. You'll learn how to use freelance and micro job sites. You'll also learn the best free methods to promote your services and how to get the most exposure possible. You can also scale this business if you really choose to. Remember, I mentioned just a little bit ago, you don't necessarily have to, but there are some paid promotion tools you could use. You could use some email follow up systems. You could do some paid traffic to generate even more business. You could invest in a more of an ad on the freelance sites that we will discuss. But there's all kinds of things you can do, but you can really kickstart this business at absolutely no charge whatsoever. Business model number three is no cost video marketing. This is where you're going to learn how to run this entire business for free. You'll choose your niche and the type of videos that you want to cover for this method. You'll discover the top free video creation tools. You'll discover the step by step system in order to get yourself great exposure on the internet through video and how to market and tie that in to generate you some income. You'll learn about the different types of videos that you can make for this method, and then you're also going to discover how you can monetize this through list building, through affiliate marketing, or through promoting your own product if that's what you have. Model number four is all about no cost list building. This is where you're going to learn how to build your following with list building. Any sustainable, successful online business has an email list of some sort. The biggest companies have it, the smallest companies have it that are successful. It does not matter if you're a one-man operation or if you're a huge Fortune 500 company, you need to build a following up of some sort. And in no cost list building, we're going to teach you the principles of list building, everything you need, and you're going to learn a brand new approach to building up your list. And on doing that, you're also going to be building up your list of buyers as well, and potential people that are going to purchase from you when you promote to them. We're going to use all no cost solutions for building a following online, which is literally unheard of because most of the time you have to invest in a domain name, you have to invest in hosting, you have to invest in an autoresponder. We're going to teach you how to kickstart your list building, how to start generating money with that list so that you can invest in those solutions that will take you on to the next level of your business. But we're going to get you started with no cost list building. You will learn free promotion strategies to build up a huge following with your list. Learn the many different ways you can monetize your new list, and then you'll maximize your list building with paid solutions. Again, these are methods that you can use after your list building is done to really kickstart it. These are things like solo ads, Facebook advertisements, other things you can do to really ramp up your list building. But ideally, you want to just start out the free way, learn the principles of it, get going with it, generate some revenue even, and then you can worry about investing. And that's the beauty of this entire no cost income stream course is we don't want you to feel bogged down and say, well, I can't afford this, I can't do that. That's the beauty of this system. Finally, in model number 5, it's all about no cost affiliate marketing. And in this one, we're going to choose a profitable niche to promote for this particular method. You'll use the latest no cost strategies for getting traffic, learn how to build a quality free site completely from scratch so that you can start putting content on that site, start building up traffic, start getting more sales. You'll discover methods to grow this into a full-time income in the no-cost affiliate marketing because you can actually be a full-time person, make full-time living just doing affiliate marketing only. You don't even need your own products. Although that does help a lot, there are a lot of people that they just do affiliate marketing only. So this model is going to teach you everything to do the correct principles of affiliate marketing, all at no cost to you. And the first steps here, before we get started on any of these models, there's just one thing that it's very important that you do have, and that is that you have a free email of some sort. And the reason we recommend that is because you're going to be signing up for various services. You'll be using different services to get web traffic. You'll be using different services to do like the freelancing sites, to do really any of these models that require you to have an email of some sort. I recommend having your own free email. You could use a variety of options. It'll help you keep things straight. It'll help keep your regular inbox maybe through your cable provider or work email. It'll help keep that, just keep things separate so it doesn't clutter up and so you don't miss anything important that's related to one of your no cost income stream businesses. So the very first step is we want you to go out, sign up for an email account so that you can be ready to use any of these models that are to follow. So here are some free options for your email. You can do gmail.com. You can do yahoo.com, and the links are right there, or you could do hotmail.com. So there's mail.google.com, also known as Gmail, mail.yahoo.com, also known as Yahoo Mail, and then hotmail.com. So any of these are all great free options. If none of these are appealing to you, you could also search online for free email. There's actually quite a few free email providers. These top 3 here are probably your best bet, especially Google and Yahoo. They're going to work out really well when you're kickstarting this. So go out there, sign up for your free email, choose a model that you want to go through, and get started on these systems. The key part here is to take action, follow through with the various steps that we teach, and take action, do what is taught. And I think you're going to really enjoy this training and you're going to get a lot out of it.